Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a text box comment in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF file and this top menu option, here you will find this review. Now click here review and this text box option, select. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your text box. Now double click on this text box and type your text, what you want. Okay. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your text. Here you can change text font size, this text color. Say this. You can align this text. This you can change font urgency uppercase. Now select hand option and click here. Now select it and say properties option. You can change fill color. Let's say this is border color, border style, and so on. This is border thickness. Say this. As align and this format option. Yeah. In this way you can add comment text box in your PDF file. And finally see this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.